Arbitrum stands not merely as a blockchain technology, but as the core standard of digital finance, facilitating the secure and rapid flow of global capital. Currently, Arbitrum maintains a commanding lead in the Layer 2 scaling market, capturing over 50% of the total market share. Its growth trajectory is nothing short of extraordinary, having surpassed 2.1 billion lifetime transactions. The network added its second billion in less than 12 months, a feat that originally took 3 years to achieve. With a total value secured exceeding $20 billion, Arbitrum has proven itself as the most trusted ecosystem for developers and investors alike. The network's technical superiority has already passed the most rigorous standards of traditional finance. BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, signaled its definitive confidence by expanding its first tokenized fund, BUIDL, to the Arbitrum network. This move is complemented by other financial giants like Franklin, Templeton, and WisdomTree, which are actively operating real-world asset RWA projects on the platform. Through the Arbitrum DAO's Step 2.0 initiative, 35 million ARB tokens have been strategically allocated to yield-bearing assets like U.S. Treasuries, driving the convergence of traditional finance and on-chain infrastructure. Furthermore, Robinhood has launched tokenized stock and ETF offerings for European users on Arbitrum, featuring nearly 500 assets. Looking toward 2026, Robinhood is developing its own dedicated Robinhood chain, using the Arbitrum tech stack to support 247 trading and seamless asset tokenization. On the technical front, Arbitrum outpaces competitors through innovations like Stylus and the BOLD protocol. Stylus is a revolutionary virtual machine environment that allows developers to write smart contracts in popular languages such as Rust, C, and C, opening the ecosystem to millions of talented developers worldwide. This technology enables computation-intensive applications to run 10 to 50 times cheaper and faster than on standard environments, fueling a new wave of advanced financial services from projects like Superposition and Renegade Finance. Additionally, the BOLD protocol introduces permissionless validation, fulfilling the Stage 2 rollup roadmap for true decentralization. BOLD ensures that any single honest party can defend the network's state within a fixed window of 6.4 days, making Arbitrum one of the most secure infrastructures in the digital asset space. Arbitrum's 2026 roadmap promises even more aggressive growth catalysts. The Arbosdia upgrade, scheduled for activation on January 8, 2026, will optimize gas pricing algorithms and provide native support for Ethereum's Fusaka upgrade, ensuring long-term alignment with the broader Ethereum ecosystem. The ecosystem is also set to become a powerhouse for Web3 gaming through the $215 million Gaming Catalyst program, which is already supporting major titles and infrastructure from studios like Wildcard and Proof of Play. Simultaneously, the Arbitrum Orbit framework is scaling rapidly, with over 100 custom chains, live or in development, effectively creating a massive digital alliance of specialized networks, all settled on Arbitrum. For investors, the most significant evolution lies in Arbitrum's transition to a yield-bearing asset class. A major decentralization upgrade in mid-2026 is set to introduce native ARB staking. Community proposals are currently advocating for 50% of sequencer revenue to be shared with ARB stakers, with conservative models projecting an annual yield of approximately 7%. This transformation shifts ARB from a pure governance token to a productive asset that generates consistent cash flow, with Arbitrum already demonstrating a high profit margin of over 90% and generating millions in annualized revenue. The launch of staking represents a pivotal moment for token value capture. In conclusion, Arbitrum possesses the unique combination of technical dominance, massive institutional support, and a sustainable economic model. 2026 will be the year Arbitrum transcends its role as a scaling solution to become the foundational financial operating system of the future. Its leadership in RWA tokenization, gaming, and decentralized finance makes it an indispensable asset for those seeking exposure to the next era of global finance. The 2026 roadmap is not just a plan, it is the confident stride of a market leader ready to redefine the global economy.